5 Facts about French fries. French fries are famous worldwide, go with everything, and are popular among children. French fries are made by chopping potatoes into even strips and then drying and deep frying them in oil. High-starch potatoes are ideal for French fries. Russet potatoes are mostly utilized in the preparation of French fries. But young potatoes, red skin potatoes, and fingerling potatoes should be avoided. There are at least 15 different types of fries: regular, waffle, thick cut, Belgian, curly, steak, shoestring, crinkle cut, sweet potato, cottage, side-winding, tornado, wedge, and smiley face. In America, you refer to French fries as either French fries or simply fries. In the United Kingdom, they're called chips, and in France, they're called frites. McDonald's outsells every other company in the world in terms of fries. They sell more than 1/3 of all the French fries sold in restaurants in the US each year. Approximately 7% of the potatoes grown in the US become McDonald's French fries. French fries have quite the complicated origin story. The French, Spanish and Belgians all claim to have invented them, and no one really knows whose story is true. There's an entire museum in Bruges, Belgium, dedicated to fries. It's called the Fryet Museum. Charles Dickens was the first author to pen French fries into literature. Dickens wrote about French fries in his novel, A Tale of Two Cities. Thomas Jefferson was probably the first person to bring fries, or some version of them, to America. French fries do have some nutritional benefits also. Since they're made from potatoes, they have all the vitamins potatoes have, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium and iron. The European Space Agency has tested how fries would fare in space. In a 2014 study, a pair of Greek researchers teamed up with the ESA to test how gravity affects deep frying. Using a centrifuge, they found that as gravity gets stronger, fries get crispier. The perfect crispy fry would be made at 3 times Earth's gravity. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.